Folks, today we are recording and benchmarking some Counter-Strike gameplay. If you're interested in how I actually did the benchmark, if you go to Counter-Strike and you go to the workshop, just type in simply benchmark. There is a tool that you can download. It's by Mr. ULL. If you workshop maps, you're going to see it's here. This FPS benchmark tool, and you're just going to load it. In there I tested a variety of different settings from basically low to max to see what I could get. The system we're using is a RTX 3080 Trinity OC at stock. We are using a Ryzen 9 5950X, and we're using 3600 megahertz RAM CL16, and we've got 32 gig of it. Basically, when you load in, you can also change some values here. I left everything at stock, and once you're ready to play, you can just shoot this and do a benchmark. So hopefully, if you're interested in buying a really fast CPU for some high refresh rate gaming for competitive Counter-Strike, or you're looking for a 3080 to again really push your 4K resolution, maybe you're a big time Counter-Strike player, or maybe you're just a competitive gamer that wants that 300 Hz monitor for that super competitive edge with Nvidia latency, ultra mode on, and all of that good stuff. Hopefully this is useful. If it is, leave a like, leave a comment. There's not too much to talk through. Normally I talk through some kind of counterpoints or some good and bad things, but basically it runs as expected. It absolutely obliterates 1080p. It uses a bit more of the card at 1440p, and results are kind of similar even though you've stepped up in resolution. And then at 4K you lose a little bit of performance, but still the performance is ridiculous. Yeah, hopefully this helps you. If it did, leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing. Let me know if there's any other type of benchmark or game you want me to do.